Thank you very much for introducing me. I'm talking about the MRuby. So MRuby is a Ruby for embedded system. So usual Ruby that is called MRI is executed on in personal computers or more memory-rich area. But MRuby can be executed on restricted memory, so only few kilobytes, a few hundred kilobytes. So originally the MRuby is a METI project, the Japanese government project, for 2 years. So lightweight Ruby is the original name. So this means lightweight is memory is a lightweight, and language specification, Ruby language specification is also lightweight. But this specification is based on ISO and these standards. So this is Ruby, true Ruby. So maybe I did no need to say. So Ruby is very easy to understand, easy to implement. So very easy to implement a program. So I want to apply such situation to embedded system development. So comparison with Ruby and MRuby is this slide. Ruby is an interpreter, so once Ruby code is implemented, then executed immediately. But MRuby is divided in compiler and executor virtual machine. So compiler can be compiled on development environment, so rich memory environment, and virtual machine is executed on target device. So sometimes small computer, small microprocessor, and so on. So this is a memory map of the Ruby interpreter MRI. So traditional Ruby. So analyzing the Ruby code and optimizing, and finally we can execute the Ruby code. But the preprocessing area, preprocessing phase is not necessarily in execution phase. So I will separate development phase and execution phase. So compiler generates the Ruby bytecode. That is a device independent code. So download to the target device, then bytecode can be recognized by virtual machine, then executed on target device. So Ruby is a Ruby program and library. Library is a target dependent program, so hardware dependent. Sometimes some memory arrangement or some restriction is contained in the libraries. But Ruby code is device independent, so once you write a Ruby code, then that code is portable across the many target devices. So we call it the mechanism of the dynamically linking. So we focus the application area for MRuby is user interface configuration. So some applications, some products have a user interface, but sometimes that user interface must be customized to person by person or customer by customer. So such customizing is no relation to software logic. Customizing is only on user interface. Maybe mostly on user interface. So we can divide. So program logic is written by C, and user interface area we can write in Ruby language. So Ruby language can be such area can be customized very easier. So several companies are checking and testing MRuby. So I introduced the Fuji Electric. Fuji Electric company is a vending machine company, biggest company in Japan. So vending machine is the machine itself that is the exact same machine everywhere. But the logic or displays, the interface is different because sometimes this vending machine is for Coca-Cola, or sometimes Pepsi, or sometimes colder area, rainy area, and so on. So customizing is necessary, but machinery is the same. So in such case, implementation is necessary. So Ruby language is suitable for such area. Our application is this. So, left side is our minimum application of the MRuby. MRuby on FPGA chip. So one chip, Ruby virtual machine. And right side is more heavy area. That is industrial manipulator. So this manipulator controlled by MRuby, 5 MRuBs. So, but 5 virtual machine, MRuby virtual machines. So communication each other and control the manipulators. So memory requirement is only 400 kilobytes Ruby virtual machine and Ruby application. So some application we are now testing. So MRuby is you can download from this site with access and check the MRuby. License is the MIT license, so you can easy to use. And every forum is now preparing, so every library supporting we are now planning. So I want to demonstrate some image system. So please, oh yes, this way. Yes, this web is one chip microprocessor running some puzzle game. So this program is so this LCD display. So under this controller buttons or some graphical interface is written by C, and event handler and gaming logic is written by MRuby. So they can control the game. Oh yes, this is gaming. Only 100 lines of Ruby MRuby code. So I'll compile, install to this device, then we can run this device on this device. Of course, this MRuby code is device independent, so you can run same bytecode. If you run same bytecode on Windows, then you can play this game on Windows. The same game you can run, and same binary code you can run. Okay, thank you very much.